International Day of Persons with Disabilities Thouram Pangthokkhre. Haksangi fibam tongalabasingsu hingbagi hak chap chana lay makoibu inthokfam thokte haina Dr. Palin na phongdorakli. Seiza Hospital and Research Institute Private Limited, Handicap Development Foundation HD Foundation amadi Advocate Laisangtem Rosemary Memorial Trust na punna kutsam naduna amplifying the leadership of persons with disabilities for an inclusive and sustainable future haiba theme da the International Day of Persons with Disabilities 2024 gi Thouram Langol da laiba Seiza Hospital and Research Institute ki Auditorium Hall da Pangthokkhre. Thouram aduda Seiza Hospital gi CMD Dr. Palin Khundongbam, HD Foundation gi Chairman Dr. Sapam Jaswanta Singha, Seiza Hospital gi Dr. Sachikumar KH Consultant Pediatrician amadi Dr. Misa H Consultant Psychiatrist na athoiba mithunglen Thouram mapu amadi akanaba mithunglen sing oina saruk yaki. Thouram ga mari lainana Seiza Hospital gi CMD Dr. Palin Khundongbam na phongdokhibada haukiba chahi Englishing ani taramathoi gi census ki matung inna Manipur da differently abled oiraba miyoi lishing yankhai taret laibagi report lay. Mathangi mikok thibadadi mikok masing hena hengatlagani khalli hairi. Englishing ani taramathoi gi mikok thiba matamaduda Manipur da supnatagi anaba makhal taret pu differently abled ki kangrupta chinglambasu laibak asigi kumza Englishing ani tara tarukta semkhiba Rights of the Persons with Disabilities Act ki matung inna anaba makhal kunmathoi da hengatle hairi. Chahi asigi oina WHO na piriba paujel asimak mipum khudingmak na mamut tana khangminaba changi. Differently abled oiraba miyoi singsu hingbagi hak chap chana laibana makhoibu tokhaina inthokfam thokte. Makoi singbu pukning thogatpa asimak lofam thokpa thodang ni khanna differently abled oiraba miyoi singi yaifa thaurangi damak Seiza Foundation amadi Seiza Hospital gi maikai dagi angamba mateng pangani haina phongdokhi. Thouram ga mari lainana Handicap Development Foundation gi Chairman Dr. Sapam Jaswanta na haikibada irangi chaitheng khwaidagi chauna nangliba differently abled oiraba singi yaifa thaurangi damak kanagumba amatana khonjel thokpa laitri. Chahi asigi oina World Health Organization WHO na Thouram asiga mari lainana piriba paujel amplifying the leadership of persons with disabilities for an inclusive and sustainable future hairiba asimakna differently abled oiraba miyoi sing ngasi su khonjel thoktana lairi haina takli. Hingnabagi lambida differently abled oiraba miyoi singna angamba pambai sizinaduna imung manung punaba hotnabada achauba chaitheng nangli. Tha 19 helaklaba irang asina maram oiraga relief camp ta changjafam lauduna lairiba amadi chingkhong chingyada lairiba differently abled oiraba miyoi singda mateng pinaba mari leinaba loisang maru oina Chief Commissioner Disability amadi Manipur State Disaster Management Authority da HD Foundation gi maikai dagi che iduna wakat khrabasu wakat singasi lengak asida lichinba ngamdri mapanggal kanba amadi mapung faba khunai ama oihanbada differently abled oiraba singi hak laibana makhoibusu maromdom hingjaba ngamnaba hotnaminasi haina mahakna makha takhi. Thouram adugi manung channa differently abled oiraba angang singi haithoi singthoiba utkibaga loinana kosemna lauba chahi asigi class 12 ki exam da chauna mai pakla khiba differently abled oiraba mahairoi singdasu manapi duna pukning thogatkhi.